again another video for you guys. We got a 2017 Ford Mustang GT with the Coyote obviously, and we're going to do an oil change. Now I know the cap says 520 and we're going to have all the oil Nazis on my video saying, oh my god, you didn't use the right oil. Use whatever oil makes you happy, alright? I'm using 10W30. 10W30 is not going to hurt this car. I don't live in Canada. I don't need to worry about having the super thin oil. And I don't really drive it when it's cold anyways. So running 10W30 with the high zinc. That's what Z-Rod is. It's high zinc. Has a higher shear pressure on the oil. This is the oil filter I'm using. The S550. This is the same filter that's on the 3.5 liter EcoBoost as well. Let's go ahead. Just crack this loose and put it off to the side so that it'll pour out a little easier since we have air rushing in the top of the motor. You're going to grab a 15 millimeter and you're going to remove the drain plug and let the oil drain out until it stops dripping. Once it gets to dripping like this, just go ahead, wipe it down. Make sure this O-ring, you don't lose it because it goes inside of here. But just give it a wipe down or let it drip some more. It's up to you. Use your 15 millimeter, tighten this back down and give it a nice wipe so you don't have any residue. This little flapper hides the oil filter which is above it. So you take this 7 millimeter out and this will open and then you can get to the oil filter. Let it drain and stop dripping before you take the oil filter off, otherwise you'll probably make a mess. Alright, take a rag. You're going to wipe all the extra oil that's been dripping everywhere. Okay, then you're going to go up to where the oil filter mounts. Wipe it nice and clean. So the new oil filter has a nice surface with no dirt or dust or anything. And now we're going to screw on the other filter. Rub some new oil on the O-ring and then go ahead and screw this on. Alright, now put your 7 mil back in to close this flapper door. 6 quarts without starting the car goes to the bottom of the checkers. So I'm going to add in 7 quarts, start it, and then top it off after. So 8 total quarts, fills it to the center of the checker, and it's all good. So just dump in 8, put it all together, and you'll be good. Thanks everybody for coming and watching this, and hopefully this video helps you make this cakewalk of a change for you and save some money by not going to the dealer and getting their crappy oil, and you get some exercise out of it. Till next time, wrench on.